Jerome Grant, the CEO of Universal Technical Institute, is joining me now. Good morning, Jerome.
Good morning. How are you today?
Great. Thank you for joining us on the show. What would you
Thank you for
say?
having me.
Absolutely. Now, let's just talk about the report. What would you say is the biggest takeaway that viewers should know about your latest quarterly earnings?
Well, I think what's happening right now is really a shift in momentum in our market space. Universal Technical Institute trains skilled workers in the areas of transportation, skilled trades, and energy and healthcare. And what we're really seeing is an inflection point in the market where people are realizing that these are huge opportunities out there, and we're attracting more students into our programs.
And what are you seeing in terms of demand across the transportation, skilled trades, and healthcare and education industries? What are the biggest trends right now?
Oh, sure. I mean, demand is growing and momentum is growing. Is one of the things that we've always said is at Universal Technical Institute, which focuses on transportation, skilled trades, and energy, there are 3 to 4 jobs on the job board for every graduate, and growing. In the healthcare areas, it's actually even more acute, the demand. Places like nursing, dental hygiene, and all of the technical fields that surround a doctor in a hospital and clinic. And so we see, if anything, the opportunity to continue to grow, and that the upside is actually quite positive.
Now, I know that there are different divisions within the Universal Technical Institute umbrella. So can you break down each individual one for us?
Sure. So we have 2 divisions. Universal Technical Institute, 60-year proud tradition, serving the areas of transportation, auto, diesel technicians, et cetera, skilled trades, things like HVAC and welding, and renewable energy. We focus on wind energy right now. So that's about 2/3 of the company. And then the second division is Concord Career College, which we acquired 2 years ago. Concord has 17 campuses around the country that focuses in healthcare and dental skills.
How would you say that UTI positions students for success?
Well, that's a great question. One of the things UTI prides itself on is really tight industry alignment. We have over 13,000 employer partners who have registered to get access to our graduates. We have over 50 OEM partners across UTI and Concord, who we work very closely with to make sure that we are on the leading edge of technology, of innovation, and aligned with where those jobs really are.
Now, UTI currently operates in 9 different states. Are you considering, though, expanding your footprint across the U.S. or even globally?
We are actually, and we announced our second phase of our North Star strategic plan with the completion of our 2024 fiscal year. And in that phase, what we outlined is that we'll open at least 2 campuses a year and start somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 to 10 new programs a year for the next 5 years. And so the demand grows, and we're going to try to bring this education to as many neighborhoods and locations as we possibly can.
Jerome, are there specific markets that you're identifying when you're considering your expansion plans?
You're talking about geographic markets?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's very difficult to find a major city in the U.S. where the demand is not acute. So we look carefully at the demographics, at job growth, at the student demographics that come into it. But and we're not ready to announce our cities just yet. For the first 3 campuses will launch in 2026. But we're very close. And I think if you think about it, it's really difficult to find a major city we're not in that wouldn't benefit from the programs we bring to market.
Well, thank you so much, Jerome. You're going to have a busy 2025 ahead. Again, that's Jerome Grant, CEO of Universal Technical Institute.
Thank you very much.